Let's make roasted carrots. Carrots are my favorite vegetable, and I especially love eating them when they are roasted. They get sweet and soft, and they are a perfect side dish. Here's what we need. 2 pounds of baby carrots. I like these because you don't have to cut them up, which makes cooking for kids way easier. We need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and that's what's going to help them get all roasted and toasted and tasty in the oven. We need 1 teaspoon of thyme, which is a fresh herb, and it grows on little branches. And it smells kind of like pizza. So I'm going to show you how to take the leaves off our thyme. We need salt. We need pepper. And then at the very end, after our carrots come out of the oven, we're going to sprinkle some nuts on them. Don't like nuts? You don't have to use them. It just helps give our carrots some crunch and texture. Now first, let's get our thyme ready. There's a trick to thyme. You don't want the stem part in your recipe. You just want the little leaves. So here's what you do. You take your finger and your thumb, and you use the nails on those fingers to pull down the stem, and the leaves will pop off. So you want to gather 1 teaspoon of those. And as soon as we've got that, we will mix everything together and make sure that our carrots get coated with all of these delicious ingredients. Then we're going to have an adult help us pop those in the oven. All right, I think we've almost got it. Oh, see? The leaves come off nice and easy. Pretty fun. Let's get a little bit more. We'll use this one here. All right, here come our leaves. Nice. And if any stems get in there, just pull them out. No big deal. Take your time. All right, there we go. So we're going to take a great big bowl with our carrots. In goes our olive oil. We're going to put in our thyme. Scoop it all up here. Oh man, does that smell good. And we'll sprinkle on our salt. Make sure we get it all. And then our pepper, which gives it just a little bit of spice. Now here's the extra fun part. You gotta toss this all together. Go ahead and use your hands. Now it might get a little bit messy. That's okay. You can always wash your hands. All right, now look in there and make sure that each carrot is glossy with that olive oil, and make sure you don't see salt on the bottom of your bowl. Make sure all the pepper is incorporated. And when everything is all together, you can put your carrots right on a baking sheet. This one has parchment paper on it. You could use foil, or you could just use your sheet. My paper on here helps our carrots not stick to the pan. Oh, these are looking good. Couple more. And then the oil in your pan, you can pour right over your carrots and toss them again. Make sure that they're in one row. And then these are ready to go in the oven. Our carrots are out of the oven. We put them on a platter and we need to do our last step. Take your pecans and just sprinkle them over the top. If you really want to get indulgent, you can put a couple pats of butter and they'll melt over the nuts and be so tasty. There you have it. Roasted carrots. So good.